Honda CB1300 S, 2005 to 2013, review. A great cruiser commuter combo. With the Honda CB1300 S, classic early superbike lines crash head-on with a practical top fairing and an inexpensive ABS option to make it a competent tourer-cum commuter that's a pleasure to ride with above-average handling, plenty of practical touches, and a low seat height. Read any Honda CB1300 S review and you'll find nothing but praise for the way it gets you from A to B with minimal fuss. In modern parlance, the Honda CB1300 S is a big naked bike. In October 2013, the Honda CB1300 Super Bowl d'Or was revealed. It got new wheels, LED headlight, new bodywork, and a 6-speed gearbox, and is pictured below. Ride quality and brakes. Heavier riders who like to press on might find the Honda CB1300S's suspension running out of ideas quickly, but for the average rider the setup works well. For a more relaxed ride, the bar risers can be rotated through 180 degrees to shift the bars forwards by 20 mm. The Honda CB1300S's 4-piston Nissan brakes are superb, with plenty of feel and power. Engine. The Honda CB1300S's powerplant is based on the old CBR1000, the 16-valve, 1,284 cubic centimeters DOHC motor feels unstressed and lazily powerful enough to get by on just the top 2 gears. The fuel injection is smoother than the naked version thanks to an improved 32-bit processor just like the whiz-bang Honda CBR600RR, and snatch-free. Reliability and build quality. The Honda CB1300 S is nicely built, with a stainless steel exhaust to help ward off the worst of the British winter. The paint's thick, too, but keep the fork legs free of winter salt or they quickly develop a nasty case of psoriasis. We have a huge amount of Honda CB1300S owners' reviews on the MCN site. The scores are highly impressive, indicating it's a great used purchase. Owners report a fly screen would be a good modification. Value versus rivals. New or used, the Honda CB1300S represents a whole lot of bike for your money. Second-hand prices are stable and owners tend to be considerate owners who pamper their machines. Equipment. The Honda CB1300S clocks are amazingly comprehensive, with even a function to remind you of birthdays and anniversaries. A HISS ignition immobilizer can be backed up by an official Honda U-lock and alarm. ABS is an inexpensive option at just £100. Of course, there were loads of aftermarket parts available for the Honda CB1300S, including suspension upgrades that owners strongly suggest are worthwhile. Specs. Engine size 1,284 cubic centimeters. Engine type 16V, inline 4, 5 gears. Frame type steel cradle. Fuel capacity 21 liters. Seat height 790 millimeters. Bike weight 236 kilograms. Front suspension compression, rebound. Rear suspension preload. Front brake twin 310 millimeters discs. Rear brake 256 mm disc. Front tire size 120/70x17. Rear tire size 180/55x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 42 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £370. New price. Used price £4,400 to £6,800. Insurance group 14 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 113 brake horsepower. Max torque 86 ft-lb. Top speed 136 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration 12.1 seconds. Tank range 195 miles.